Hey guys, Les here from BG Trading. I hope you had a really nice Easter. And today, 6th of April 2021, I'll be talking about double A energy, which the ASX code is 88E, and how it made 27% in 25 minutes in one of the worst days of this stock price. Let's have a look. I just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, it's just us sharing with you how we buy and sell stocks using BG trading strategies. And if you like our strategies, if you like the way we trade, you want to learn more about it, we have an online course. It's ready to go. Just hit our website, bgtrading.com.au, online course, and you will know all the information to get registered. Now, back to the stock. How we did that? We actually took BG trading strategy to a intraday level. Does that work all the time? Yes, it does. However, you got to be really quickly. And also, you have to ensure using a effective platform, a platform that allows you buy and sell extremely quickly. Okay, we did that today on ComSec platform. Okay, we don't be able to do this kind of trade using ANZ share investing. It's too slow. So that's what we did on ComSec. Now, you can see here, okay, so what we did, as I just previously showed you, this is the intraday chart, and we did buy on the first Heikin Ash green candle after this massive drop. And if you can see here, there was 43% gap, okay, which obviously we couldn't take all this 43% because it's almost nearly impossible. So we did take 27 out of that because we sold the stock around this sort of level here. As soon as we had, let me just make it larger for you. As soon as we had Heikin Ash candles red coming up, then we immediately sold it, and turns out to be 27%. So now, again, it is extremely dangerous, and it can take BG trading strategy to a intraday level, but it is really advanced sort of a level. And we don't do that often. We do very, very rarely, only when we see a great opportunity like today. When the market opens and the market closes, you can always see an indicative price here. In this platform, you can see it's right here, okay? Which means double A energy will most likely close 2.4 cents. Same happens when the markets open, okay? 10 minutes prior the opening, you can see the indication price of the opening. So we can have idea what's how low, how high the stock will open. Now, what we did this morning with the very negative news, we realized the market was going to we realized the stock was going to open way lower than the last closing. And we thought that was a typical market overreaction. It happens on the first few minutes of trade. So now, if I go to 1 minute chart, look, this is a exception. Okay, normally we don't do this kind of trade. Okay, guys, it's an exception. It doesn't happen very often. Okay, you have to be very, very quickly, and it is extremely dangerous. Okay, so it was a great time to do that. However, because the impact of the news was so bad, we decided to stay out of the stock simply because the fundamentals are extremely weak. It is an extremely speculative stock that we don't want to be in at this time. Now, back to a one-day chart, which is the chart that we normally analyze. Let me just get rid of this. Now, last week we had a lot of people asking whether we think we should be buying this stock. And obviously, we always say the same thing. It's simple. We don't FOMO. We missed the boat. We don't FOMO. And that's exactly what we did. We didn't want to enter when SP is way too far from SMA. Look at this. 168% here. Look at this now, like on last Thursday. Imagine who bought it last Thursday. 457% above SMA. What have I told you before? We never buy when SP is further than 10% of SMA, simply because it's extremely dangerous. And I always say the same. Sooner or later, SP will meet SMA again, and that's when you buy again. We did it with Novonix, we did it with several other stock, with Zip, several other stock. Look at this, FFG. SP is now trading under SMA. We never thought that would happen, but always happen. Okay, Novonix. SP trading under SMA. That's all you'll pay. One of the classic stocks of those Facebook groups. SP trading under SMA. So always happen, guys, sooner or later. And this is the safest way, according to our strategy, to get in. So this is how we trade very quickly. And this is why we trade AA8 Energy today, simply because we bought at SMA price. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.